Melik's.
Let's start off by talking about this very common problem that Unity faced and many of our institutions face, getting our on-campus faculty excited to start teaching online classes and the difficulties in doing so.
Many faculty members came through the academy with a very traditional approach of the classroom. The problem I see is more that we as a college just expected faculty members to understand how to all of a sudden take a course that they've learned and have done for years in a very traditional format and put it online. I think we as a higher education industry did not do a good job of understanding how to bring faculty along.
So let's talk about what I think is a very unique solution at Unity, hiring a wholly separate distance education staff, including instructors, including technicians who are specifically excited about online education.
It's unfair for a faculty member to learn an entirely new way of teaching while what they're doing is working, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's a different audience and a different market that needs it. So for us, the solution was simple. Those of you who want to take a step out and a different market that is online, we will provide you with the training, we'll provide you with curriculum designers and the like. And so they got to opt in to online instead of having to opt out. Many faculty members across the country who are chomping at the bits. So why force faculty to do something they don't love when you can find faculty who can?
It's a really creative approach, Melik. From a governance standpoint, have you experienced or do you have any concerns about potential alignment or competition issues with on-campus faculty wanting to only promote their on-campus programs or vice versa with your online staff?
Actually, on the contrary, I encourage it because we are still one university, one college. The concept of competition is what I think is holding a lot of colleges back. There is enough competition with other colleges. The students who are on our online program, I would say 95% of them would never come to campus. As a result, the residential recruiters, the residential staff, the residential faculty are encouraged to do the best for their programs. So are the online. And because we are going after different audiences, we minimize this concept of competition and negativity.